This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Adam Sortman. Charming lakefront 3-bed/2-bath home sitting on over half-acre lot, in Cul-De-Sac with a most tranquil setting. This open floor plan boasts of character. Screened-in Florida room, lap pool/sauna, vaulted ceilings with wood beams, stone fireplace, hardwood floors. Great-sized master bed with walkout sliding glass doors to large patio with your 16 8-feet lap pool/sauna. Adjoining master bath includes handcrafted barn door and also has a patio exit/entrance. Huge laundry for great convenience. Newer windows/sliding glass doors and freshly painted inside and out. Come see this charming home while it lasts. For more information, review the details below.